I wish I had the dining room set in my house.
What you opening? What you opening now? What is this? Item number the bench to the dining room set. All righty.
Some more crap.
This is the unboxing of the dining room set on how to put it together. And the reason we do these videos is because I've been hearing a lot of information from different people that when they get some of their packages, instructions doesn't come with it. So, you know, us doing the video to do some unboxing, allow people and show people how to put it together if their items is lacking instructions. So, watch and stay tuned.
Crap.
That's how it come.
You open it up and look like a lot of stuff and you don't want to touch it. I gotta sit down and think about it before I pick it up.
He gotta wipe his face, collect his thoughts. But he's getting there. Cause I got some more stuff we want to put together. How about that?
Set that on to the side. Nice and cushiony.
Everything is nice and heavy.
This obviously must be the legs.
Hey, Lord.
And they, what is this? I don't even know what it is. I just put it on there.
Yes, they say left and right. Get the left and right together. Because the bench is simple and easy. But you got to put the right ones on there.
Remember I told you before, right is left and left is right.
Ow!
So
yes.
you gotta watch this shit. Yeah,
He ain't lying because that is true. Like even though it says right and left, you have to really check the materials because
put this on left, it ain't gonna match.
when he put them on left, it wasn't matching up. So he had to put the left on the right and the right on the left. So even maybe they put the stickers on wrong, but
or maybe they did it based on it standing up some kind of way or something. I have no idea, but it doesn't work the way they do it.
It wasn't matching out. So
I'm gonna do it this way.
That's another key point in putting this type of table and benches and chairs and stuff together because all of them was labeled the same way. The right for the left and the left for the right, but you had the opposite and switch it around.
now, since I said that, now I can double check it myself. Yep. That's exactly
Well,
what's happening.
it is hot in here. My hot flashes is starting to rise. I have to sit outside. That's why I've been sitting outside so much because the hot flashes.
See.
I can't take. Anybody out there got something for menopause? Please let the child know. Because I'm tired of going through it.
They said they got that menopause tea or something now.
I'm really in.
Yeah, it don't kick in right away, but if you drink it every day on a regular, it helps to but help with the symptoms of the menopause stuff. I don't know what it is, child. I'm just grateful I ain't got none yet. Thank you,
Girl,
Jesus.
you ain't gonna want it. I'm trying to tell you, because this here is crazy.
There's nothing like Tor. My sister Tor, she get hot flashes, child. You don't want to be around her when she get hot flashes. Child, I leave Tor. I was like, cause she got some. You seen that pussy before? I'm like, what the? Girl, she strips top to bottom. She don't care who in the house. She's like, girl, I'm so doggone hot. She like, child, she don't take off all clothes and put the air conditioner on and expect you to sit right there with her. I was like, all right, girl, that's too much. Too much TMI. I got to go. Yeah, I got to go.
Too much information.
Yeah, I got to go. She was like, girl, these hot flashes is killing me. I was like, oh, Lord,
You
child.
just don't know. I'm trying to tell you.
I was like, they're your own personal summers. Look at it, doctor always. You not going through the menopause yet? Child, please don't rush it on me. Trust me.
Look,
cause mama be cold all the time.
See, look, I'm already sweating under here.
See?
I was like this all night. On the covers, off the covers, on the covers, off the covers. I'm like, I'm ready to throw the whole daggone bed across the
See?
The fan wasn't blowing hard enough for me. I'm like, oh my God, this is ridiculous. I'm going to buy me a new air conditioner. I had my fan on all winter.
See.
Because I couldn't deal with the heat. I'm like, no.
But you know, I used to be cold all the time. I used to thought I was anemic because at night when I get ready to go to sleep, I really be freezing cold. But since Corona started, is when I started doing my vitamin C and my vitamin D3, and then my system has regulated. So I don't be cold like I used to, do I?
Is you recording?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes. This is an important video because you just putting together. You important putting together.
You belong health.
Yeah, I give a menopause.
Yes.
But see, I take vitamin. I got vitamin C, D. It's really overrated.
I was like, look here.
You see, I like your block. I can sit down there. I ain't got to worry about nothing. See, on my block, I got to worry about 99 newsy people. Why is she sitting outside so early in the morning? What's wrong with it? Okay. Why is she looking so evil? Don't talk to me. It's too early in the morning. Just let me be.
See.
Then I got to worry about the neighbor's trash because then it comes to bugs. I don't like bugs.
Put down there for me. That looks a lot like Christmas.
Capiche?
We took them with gas.
What are these old guys for?
That's for the screws.
Oh, okay, because they go anchored down.
Yeah. Yeah, got a lot of little screws, but I did this thing in a second. It's like a couch.
Yeah.
Oh, you slide over.
Yeah, just move right on over. Yeah.
There you go. Cook with gas, Joe. Wham, bam, thank you, man.
Done deal.
That's it.
These last screws in. Switch the bits.
I like the front because you got more shade. The sun ain't sitting over here yet.
Right. That's why Papa put that thing on top
Yeah.
there. Yup. It helps that sun over there. Oh, you gotta come try out the bench. Mama, wait.
Huh?
You gotta come try out the bench.
So even got some shit there to put on.
Oh yeah, so one time.
Well crafted. Solid as a rock. Here we go. Going over. Easy breezy. There she is. Let's bench 101. Nice and high. Everything's good.
There you go. Nice.
So you can put a bench on one side, your chairs on the other side.
All right. So there we have it, bench 101.